This is AutoCAD Lesson 6 of Chapter 4. You're going to start by going to finding a file called M using line types. It's going to pull up a file kind of like this. You're going to have to start by loading in a few different types of line types because you may notice that there's only one in this drawing. So you're going to go up, you're going to your property panel, you're going to click the line type, and then you're going to get into your line type manager. You're going to click load, and you're going to find a file, a line type called center. So you're going to click on that one. You're going to then click CTRL. You're going to go down to hidden. You're going to open them up, and you may notice only those two are selected, and CTRL allows you to select more than one option at a time. Now you're going to click OK. You're going to go up to your layers, properties, and you're going to go up to center. You're going to click center, the center layer line type, and then you're going to change it to center. And then you're going to go up to hidden and its line type, and you're going to make it into a hidden line type. Once you're done, you're going to click X, and you're going to notice that the line types have changed. So to start, we're going to change the layer that you're in to center, and you're going to go up to your line. You're going to click the center. You're going to hover over the center of the circle. Click, and then you're going to be done. That one. Your next one, you're going to have to do the quadrants of this circle as a hidden object right here. So you're going to have to make sure your snaps are on and correct. You need your midpoint, your endpoints on, your quadrants, your intersection, your perpendicular. Once you know those are on, you're going to go click your line. You're going to hover over the quadrant of the circle, and you may notice the diamond pattern comes up. Use your object snap tracking. You may notice right now, though, what did I do wrong? I accidentally did not change the layer that I was in. So just erase that. Then you're going to go back up. Make sure you change into the correct one, which is hidden for this. Hover. Click. Okay. Now for your next line, you're going to hover over this endpoint. There you go. For your next one, you're going to go down here, and you're going to make these lines a little bit shorter. So let's draw a line that represents where you need it to be. Bring these down. Bring this one down. Once you know those are right, you're going to then go over here, and you're going to copy this entire section. So you're going to do the copy command. Copy. Your insertion point is going to be the center here, and you're going to go over here, finish this line down there. You're going to then select everything you just put in. You're going to go CTRL, and you're going to pull up your properties, and you're going to change the layer from outline to hidden. Once you're done there, you're going to then make sure that everything lines up. I think this is wrong. You may notice that this line doesn't quite line up, so you just redraw it. It may take a little bit of fiddling. Apparently that clicked on the wrong snap. So once you know that it's right, everything's in the right place, you're going to move on to the next step, which is clicking these two lines, and then you're going to change the line scale. It's because you really can't tell it's a hidden line type. So you're going to change the line scale. You're going to create that little break. So now you're going to go over and make sure your everything else is correct in the drawing. You may notice one thing that's really wrong about this is, if you know anything about hidden lines, you may notice that these are not, these are supposed to be hidden lines. So just select them, and if you click something you don't want to be selected, you just click Shift and try and get all of them. It's a little bit tedious. These also have to be changed. And you can do CTRL 1, pull it up, change it to hidden. So you're done with that. You may also notice that this line and this line are supposed to connect. So just use your object snap tracking. Once you're done with that one, you may notice on the tutorial they want you to change this one. So just select it, go all the way over. Now you also will notice that these two lines overlap, and they're kind of giving conflicting information. So what you'll do is you'll just select the bottom one and delete it. Now you don't need the hash anymore, so you're just going to select the you're going to go up to erase, you're going to select the hash, and you're going to press enter, and it's going to delete everything, delete the entire hash, and that is it. So you should end up with something looking like this. When you're done, you may notice you can pick either one of these two layouts. If you don't want to pick them, just go right click, new layout, make your new layout, put in your initials, and export it. Don't save.